If your DirecTV Genie remote suddenly stops responding, don't panic. Most issues are easy to fix. Start by checking the batteries. Press any button and watch the indicator light. A solid green light means the batteries are fine. A blinking green light means they're low, and no light at all means they need to be replaced. Next, make sure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and the Genie receiver, since the remote relies on light signals and any obstruction can block communication. Also confirm your TV is set to the correct HDMI input connected to the DirecTV box. If you're using a universal remote, check that the mode switch is set to DirecTV and not TV or another device. If those basics don't work, move on to resetting and pairing the remote. Point it at the Genie box, then press and hold mute and enter together until the light flashes twice to reset. For universal remotes, hold mute and select until the light flashes 3 times, then press 981 and select. To pair the remote again, point it at the Genie and hold mute and enter until you see an on-screen confirmation. You can also pair it through the menu by going to Settings and Help, then Remote Control, and following the prompts. If the remote still won't respond, reset the Genie receiver using the red reset button or by unplugging it for 15 seconds. If nothing works after that, contacting DirecTV support or replacing the remote is the next step.